Hello again, everyone. As you can see today, friends, there are incredible developments in Labcoin. When we filmed the last video, it had risen very quickly to the $6 level. After that, it went up to $17 and continued its climb towards $27, friends. As you can see now, in a half-hour period, it drew 3 upward arrows and is currently trading at 16 plus, and it saw an instant drop from there. We shared it in our Telegram group right away, friends, and we're currently at a 200% profit. So that means we've tripled our money, friends. As you can see on TradingView now, our trade is on sell, and we're currently at the take profit point, friends. Right now, our friends who wish are taking their profits, as you can see on Telegram. You can see the points we've drawn here as well. Around 12.80 and 15.50, these are the support zones, friends. If it breaks below these, the decline could continue further. Of course, this is not investment advice. I strongly recommend that you remember crypto is risky and do your own research. By the way, since we're trading on MEXC, we had 0% commission. So we normally would have paid a $5 commission on this trade, and we didn't pay it, friends, as you can see. You can see it here too. As you can see right now, there's a very fast volume, friends. It's moving quite rapidly. It shows that it's currently at a 10% increase because it's still above the last 24 hours. But my thought is, if it breaks below 13, it could continue to fall from here, friends. Of course, no one can know this for sure, friends. These are the points, as you can see. We had drawn these just so you know. I wanted to film a quick video like this. As you can see, our profit is now at 213%, and we were even higher just a moment ago. Well, we can't know what will happen, friends. Don't forget to join our Telegram group for instant trades like this. By the way, if you want to trade without commission, you can register for MEXC via the link in the description, friends. It's a completely reliable crypto exchange. You can let me know in the comments which other coins you'd like me to share about. Right now, Bitcoin is in a really bad state, friends. Bitcoin has really dropped a lot. It's fluctuating around $60,000, around $64,000, as you can see. What do you think? Will Bitcoin rise after this, or will it follow its course around here until the US elections? What are your thoughts? You can share them with me in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll announce new developments about Labcoin from our Telegram group, friends. What do you think? Did you just open a short position on Labcoin, a long position, or do you not find it safe at all? The trade we opened was a 20x trade. We don't have a big risk, but as you can see, in a very short time, just half an hour, we're in profit on the trades we took at the peak, and I opened a closing order around 1280, because I think it'll drop below this too, to around 1250 or so. It might see a recovery from here. It could still spike momentarily, but since we're approaching the market's closing hours for the day, I think it'll continue its decline from here. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, of course. Don't forget to mention in the comments which coin we should analyze in the next video. See you in the next videos, everyone. Take great care of yourselves, and goodbye.